Well, they're all off. And in the atmosphere of social distancing, we're going to talk about your nail care products and doing it yourself. Good afternoon. I am Lorraine Brock, professional organizer and owner of Get Organized. And hopefully you guys are having some extra time in your lives to get your homes and your lives better. It's going to be really exciting when we all start back with our busy lives and that everything is in order and we've taken the time to get better control of our home and our lives and our business. So that's the good news. Use this time now for that. So as you can see, I thought I'm going to do a Tip Tuesday on nail care because for you, my nails done at a salon. And I kept thinking, well, I can do this. Maybe I can wear a mask. She can wear a mask. I don't know. And then I says, no, the 6-foot rule would not apply if I stuck out my hand and did that. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna get rid of them. So I soaked them, buffed them, put a little shine on them, and figured that I'm going to be doing the job for a little while. And I better get my nail care a little better organized because be honest, guys, it's been a while since I touched my nail products. Normally my grandkids are the ones that come over and want me to paint their nails, or they want to paint them, or maybe my nieces come over, but rarely do I get my stuff out and actually do my own these days. Well, these days I am. So I took some little extra time to get me something that I could show you guys. Now it was in this container originally, and I really got a little bit better organized to show you guys sort of what I did. So one of the things I've always thought about, even when I did my nails, I don't always do them in the same place. Sometimes I like to do them when I'm watching TV in the living room. Sometimes I like to go in the bedroom and do it, or my bathroom, or sometimes even at the kitchen table. It varies. And sometimes I've even done them on the back porch when it's been nice weather. So I wanted something that could be really, and whenever I'm going to be in my home to actually do my nails. So I'm almost at my threshold here is this container amount of polish, but this is not going to get any more. But you can see here it's starting to, if you can't see, it's starting to not snap so well. And I purged. Someone needs to help me. Okay. So let me show you what's in here, and hopefully you guys can build something like this. Even if you have a drawer in your bathroom, this is all in. You know, that's not a bad idea, but I like it to be portable unless you're really going to always do your nails there. That way it goes, everything goes with you. So let me show what I have in here. And most of the stuff I already had in here outside of maybe one thing, but I've actually cleaned it up a little bit. So this I've always had, or something like it. This is a dirty old, it's not dirty, it's like a stained rag, old dish towel. And we've used this or something very similar to this at this size. Always have kept one of these inside the nail polish box. That way, if we're on the carpet or we're at the kitchen table, nothing's going to get on that hard surface or the soft surface that's good underneath. It's going to protect it. And now, if you're getting something wet, like a nail polish remover, I would probably get something either thicker or put some other kind of plastic underneath it, like a TV tray or something like that. But have some kind of protective type cloth where you don't get the nail polish and stuff on a surface. Now, this right here, I had this in here. I've actually, not going to get into detail about this, but I'm actually started doing my dad's nails. He's 85, be 86 this year. And I keep all his special little things that he needs in here, and that way it just stays for him. I got these clear bags off of Amazon. They actually have a pocket right here where you can put a name tag or a label if you want. I haven't done that yet, but these are my father's and they're in the nail kit. I also keep some kind of cardboard or something in here that allows people to, including myself, to go in here and paint to see what the color sort of looks like outside of the bottle. I do use cardstock for this. It helps with it not bleeding through on the other side. When this gets filled up, I just throw it away. I keep a little package of these. Necessarily, I've actually had quite a bit of these. I threw some of these away when I was organizing this. I just need 2 pair. If anybody else needs it and wants to paint nails with me, they'll have to bring their own. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Have nail polish remover in here. Make sure it's tight. That's good. And then I have a couple different containers here that I keep different things in. And here is just a Tupperware container, small. It has cotton balls and things to remove nail polish. So I keep that. You could use a baggie. I just did not want to use a baggie to try to open up when my hands are full of something, or maybe that they're wet or something. So I wanted to have something that stayed open really well, and I could grab what I want and use it. So I wouldn't prefer you to put things in here in baggies that you might use when you're doing your nails, because you'll mess them up as you reach in. This right here is another container that I just found in the house. You can use anything. But this in here keeps things like toothpicks and Q-tips that I might use to get around my cuticles or get an area that I got on my skin and be able to clean up my nails a little bit more. So again, just a little bit more of tools that I have. Obviously, I keep buffers. I do keep, now when my hands have been with acrylic nails, I have had situations where I've done my grandkids or I've touched up something on my toes or something. And so I do keep some gloves in here. If I have my acrylic nails on, I put these gloves on before I do any of this, and it doesn't damage them. I won't be using them at this time because I don't have acrylic nails now, but that is something that I will use in the future. And then I have obviously my other little things. One of the things I'd really highly recommend is getting, so don't judge me here, but it's still a really good, it's probably like a $5 brush. I think I got this at Alta, I think it's what it's called. And this, we do a lot of different kind of little nail art with my grandkids, and I think it's fun. And on the very bottom here, I'll try to get this really close up. You can see it's really just a very top point. It's actually much finer than the bottom of something else that has it. You can see the difference. This is much finer, pointed. And what we do is when the nails are wet, and I have a whole solar kit too. That's another area. This is just traditional nail paint. But we use these glitter things, and my granddaughters just think these are the bomb. Love these. They add a little bling to their nails. And the end of this, which you have to buy separately, will actually, with a little bit of wetness, you put it on here and you put it on their nail, and these things really are good. Also, if you're doing like polka dot nails, these things are really good. You just dip it in the paint and you can do polka dot, all sorts of stuff. And I didn't even have girls growing up. I had boys. So I've had to learn this stuff. What else is in here? Obviously, I have my nail polishes. You can see in here that they're just all at one end. I just messed that up. But the other thing I wanted to mention to you is glasses. I'm 49 and I use reading glasses when I do things really fine. And even with my nails, if I'm really doing my nails because it's so close up, or somebody else's, I wear my reading glasses. Well, what had changed is a while back, I opened this and I had this pair in there. Something's wrong with it, right? Like we're missing a whole side of the glasses. It's because they were getting crushed and mixed around with the stuff and it broke them. So one thing that I changed was I got a hard glass cover. So if you're like me and you really don't need glass reading glasses, this works really, really great just to keep a pair of glasses in here. I try to not have to go get up and get anything. So be organized, put everything in here that you need, including your reading glasses, and just use a hard case so they do not get damaged like this pair. And that's about it. I did just put a little bitty, you can't see it's backwards, but I made me a little bitty nail sign here with a nail polish as being the eye. I thought that was pretty cute. It appears backwards to you guys, I know that. But that's what I have set up here. And I think I'm going to have to invest in a little bit of a nail polish extras. I do also keep some kind of oil base, mineral oil or something. This one actually Brazilian oil, just something to keep my cuticles really, not dry during the in-between. So I've cleaned this up. I've organized it better for me. And I'm hoping that nails get a little bit more, I'm going to give them a little healthy break, right? Like, just let them have a healthy break for a little while. May not look as pretty, but all natural, right? All natural. That's what I'm saying. Then I'll pick me a color and use it. And I've even gone through here. Oh, and last thing about nail polish. This is called Del Sol. You get these a lot. You'll see Del Sol when you travel to the Caribbean islands or sometimes in unique boutique shops. But Del Sol is a kind of nail polish that you can actually paint. It looks one color in the bottle. And then once you paint it on and you get out into the sunlight, it's a totally different color. Blue and it looks yellow in the bottle. Or you might do a red and it might be purple. Pretty cool. Yeah, I will be doing that. I just think that it'll throw me off. It's like those sunglasses that you wear outside and they change color. Yeah, so that gives you an idea of what to do for those ladies that get their nails done that are not going to be able to get them done for a while. And here's what you can do to make sure you have an organized container or station that it's portable, that you can just take with you anywhere in your home and be able to get beautified. So, all right. Our giveaway, I'm just still promoting this because this is the last day of March. That means this is the last day of the opportunity to for any of our Tip Tuesdays from the month of March with any of your friends and family on Facebook, or make a comment down below, not only on this Tip Tuesday, but any of our past Tip Tuesdays in February. The more you share, the more you comment, the more you're entered into the giveaway. So let me show you what the giveaway is for the month of March. So we're giving away these two items, go together. Not giving them away separately. And you have here a notebook set that includes 2 inserts and there's pockets. This is soft. I mean, it's like a fake leather, but it is so soft. I picked up like a multiple of these at Walmart during back to school. And these were, get these, Lorraine, they don't have them in the store right now. This right here is, you put your credit cards over here. There's a pocket here. Then it has a calendar. Whether you use it or not, it's you can put anything in here in your calendar. You can make grocery list on a page. But the calendar is designed to you actually write in the date. So it starts whenever you want it to start. And then the next book in here is just a totally like tab and write on, make notes. And then there's another pocket in back here and a place for a pen. It's a sizable down here, and you just throw it in your purse. It is so handy. Love this. The other thing that goes with that in the theme of purses is this is an insert that goes into purses. And it actually is expandable, so it has a snap there. It has pockets that are netted on the outside as well, pockets that are not netted that can't see through on both sides. And then on the inside, you have a large compartment. Obviously, it's going to get larger. And then there's a zipper pocket here and a zipper pocket here that you can even open it up and put more stuff and expand it. And then here's a little handle. So if you're wanting to try this from one purse to the next, this is the product that you're going to want to get. So in order to get both of these products together, make a comment down below on any of our Tip Tuesdays for the month of March. Or should I say, and, keyword and, Go ahead and share our Tip Tuesdays with your friends and family through Facebook, and that will get you a chance to be entered more. And then next Tuesday, we're going to let the winner know here on Tip Tuesday who won and announce it, and then get this off in the mail to them, and they'll be happily surprised. So, well, if you have any kind of questions or that you need answered, let us know. We're going to try to be doing a little bit more Facebook in the coming weeks, as I know everyone has gone really online lately, and give you guys some more tips. We're also, my company Get Organized is also going to be doing call in and ask an organizer, not here on Tip, but we're actually going to have a phone number and stuff posted on our Facebook page that you can call in a time to talk with the organizer and get some questions answered, just free, like a 30-minute call. So we want to help everybody out there. Get organized while they're at home and spending more time getting organized, hopefully. Thanks for joining me. Get your nail stuff organized, and I want to see those. I'll show you my beautiful nails when I do them. So I'm Lorraine Brock with Get Organized, helping you get your home, business, and life totally organized. And join me each week here on Facebook Live for Tip Tuesday. Thanks, guys, and see you next week. Bye-bye.